Hello everyone, welcome back to another unboxing video by LV Elevators and More. Today we are going to be unboxing two packages this time. These are going to be Otis pieces today. Let's dive into the boxes. So this first piece, here's the trash right there. That's going to go in the trash. Let's see what we got here. Oh, nice. Look what I got. California Code. Otis microtouch button. This is very slick. They were selling this on eBay a while ago, and I managed to get one a while ago. And yep, that's for that box. And for this box, we are going to be using the box cutter. Please remember, this is considered as a weapon. This is a tool and is not a toy. Alright, here we go. Let's see what we got in here. Alright, here we are. Let's see what we got. Looks like we got some Otis luxury pieces, and we do. Yep, this is an Otis luxury. Convex button. Yep. This will be nice to display. Let's see what else we got in here. We have another Otis luxury. And another Otis luxury. Look at this, y'all. Another Otis luxury. How nice is this? And let's check the last piece out. Definitely an Otis luxury. Here. Let me get it out of the wrapping. Well, yep. That's going to be almost all of it. Alright, that's going to be all of it. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you. Have a great day.